Hello, and welcome to another Schnaps Lego review. Sorry it's been a while since the last one. Also, one more thing. This is a short review, so this is why I'm going to include some filler in it. But I'm going to include that at the end. So today, we are looking at the Construction Man. Sorry that I can't tell you the name or anything. I lost the polybag it came in, and yeah, let's go over him. Well, let's take a look at the minifigure first. As you can see, it's just a basic regular construction worker with a red helmet and his clothing, no back print. So yeah, this was either it was $4 at Walmart. Oops. Is this focused in? There we go. And it's pretty good. And here's the vehicle. 4 wheels. Has some treads on it. This grill piece is pretty good. Comes with a little light stud. Then the rolling construction ahead sign pulls out like this. You can put it in different positions. Even like this, even though there's no use. Comes with those arms that you see on battle droids. And on here, this is a printed piece. This is not stickers. As you can see, there's orange studs. The reason why it's orange is because orange is better to see at night. That's why construction workers always have something orange or something bright that cars can see. Most of you know that. I just decided to say it. Now this is a little, like you see on the road, there's little stop signs that they hold, so, or slow down, or you can go, continue. Because when this is on traffic, like, this is one lane, the construction is taking up one lane, the second lane is free. This mostly happens on 2-lane roads, and yeah, as you can see, he has a little walkie-talkie. It's one of the newer versions since of the little, I know you can't see that, but just the molding's different. And yeah, that's about it for the vehicle. If you're gonna do this for your Lego City Mark, I would recommend getting 2 of these, because obviously this one on for one side of traffic, and the other one's for, well, there's 2 of them, both to control traffic coming in different directions. So if you want to make a more realistic route, I would suggest doing that, getting 2 of them. But other than that, it's pretty great. It's a good little buy, and I will highly recommend it. I know I usually go over small sets, because I don't have room for bigger sets. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. And now I'm going to start the little filler that I talked about in the earlier part of the episodes. I am slowing down on these toy reviews, since I obviously am running out of space to do this. Well, in my room, I usually don't give away these stuff. Probably not yet, at least. But the more I buy, the more it takes up in my room. So I'm gonna slow down on these. You will still see movie reviews. I have like 2 planned. I have some extra stuff that I'm gonna try out, also planned. Like skits, parodies, reactions. Just those reaction videos that I'm gonna make are not serious, but I'm gonna stop making those. Then I'm gonna do some more videos. Step up my A game. Get a Photoshop program and make actual title cards. I think that's what it's called. No. Oh gosh darn it, I forgot the name. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was 3 minutes longer than it's supposed to. But yeah, I'm just giving you a little update on what's ahead. Now, I have a lot of stuff to reveal, so it's going to be coming out quick. For today is March 24th. It's going to be coming, these reviews will be coming out quick for the rest of March. But once April hit, they will be slowing down and stuff. So that's what happens if you don't see as many reviews for toys later in the future. So anyways, I hope you have a nice day, and goodbye.